People living. Put my genres on. I don't.
Genres. Just genres on. Just genres. Panther Warrior. Panther Warrior. Brooklyn Rage. Brooklyn Rage. That's my best. I don't know. Now then YouTube. Now then YouTube. Now then YouTube. And welcome to a new video. A new special video. A Panther Warrior 2005. 2005? 2005. Much nostalgia. Panther Warrior, one of Joey's classic monsters that he used in the Battle City tournament, where he sacrificed his scapegoat tokens to power up his Panther Warrior to take down Mako Tsunami, I believe. Good times. I hope you're having a very happy holidays. Hope you're enjoying a Christmas period, or whatever you believe. Whatever you believe. Believe what you want to believe. Believe in the heart of the cards. Let's do this. So, in this tin you get the reflection of me and my Christmas jumper. No, what you actually get is 6. Well, no, you can collect 6 tins with 6 exclusive cards, and we will be opening more of those classic 2005 tins. 1 Dark Beginning 1 booster pack, 1 Dark Revelations Volume 1 booster pack, 1 Soul of the Duelist booster pack, 1 Rise of Destiny booster pack, and 1 Flaming Eternity booster pack. If you have not checked it out already, please subscribe to my channel, YuGiCurt, and there will be I think I've done a Voice Rated tin. There will be a video for Voice Rated tin. If you've not checked that out already, the link will be somewhere in the corner. So, let's get right into this. Hold on. I need some sleeves to sleeve up our cool card. Some sleeves. And we got some sleeves here to sleeve up any epic cards that we managed to pull from this here Panther tin. Of course, you get the secret rare Panther Warrior, that's nice. Let's go for it. Sweet tin. Sweet tin, it's a sweet tin. Let's release that 2005 air. There we go. And there we have the Panther Warrior Secret Rare. Is Earth Monster Beast Warrior Effect Monster, limited edition. This card cannot attack unless you tribute 1 monster on your side of the field, which is exactly what Joey had to do in the Battle City tournament. And that is the price you pay for a 4-star monster with 2,000 attack points in 2005. Panther Warrior. Very nice. So, swiftly moving on to the booster packs at hand. We have a 1 Dark Beginning, 1 Dark Revelations, just like this Force Rated tin, 1 Soul of the Duelist, 1 Rise of Destiny, and 1 Flaming Eternity. What is Christmas about, if not for opening some classic Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster packs? Let's do this. So, where should we start? Where to begin? Let's go with the 13 cards per pack. Dark Beginning 1. Oh yes. It's hard to open packs. Got it that time, much easier. Tip card. Trap Hole is a strong card, indeed. 4-star Ladybug of Doom. Nice. I think this was used by Yugi at some point. But yeah, flip, destroy all face-up level 4 monsters on your opponent's side of the field. Classic card. Oh, and we have another classic card here. Reaper of the Cards. Invader of the Throne. Senju of the 1,000 Hands. Sorry, I messed that right up. Senju of the 1,000 Hands. Normal summon or flip, you can select 1 ritual monster card from your deck. The Ghost of Fled Dreams. That has always been one of the most epic artworks in Yu-Gi-Oh! The ghostly ghost, the gross ghost of fled dreams. It's like coming out of the person. It's like crazy. Sujin from the part of the Gate Guardian. Call of the Haunted. We have a foil. Nice. A foil. Call of the Haunted. Sweet. Then we have Mask of Restrict. Jam Defender. Insect Barrier. Reign of Mercy and Chosen One. Oh, I do love these classic packs. They are classic. Beautiful. Beautiful. The beautiful game of Yu-Gi-Oh! Is here. We have a foil Call of the Haunted. Flaming Eternity. Sacred Phoenix of Nephthys. Nephthys. Oh, I've got this pack of them down to a T now. Element. Valkyrie. Beast Soul Swap. Abar Ushione. Flame Ruler. Brain Jacker, rare. With this crazy eye. Oh, it's a brain with an eye. Hand of Nephthys. Blade Rabbit. When this card is changed from attack position to face-up defense position, destroy one monster on your opponent's side of the field. Very powerful. Firebird and the Dark Hex Sealed Fusion. So there's a Brain Jacker in our pack. And then we'll go Soul of the Duelist. Yeah, Soul of the Duelist. Soul of the Duelist does not want to let me in. At all. Come on. I don't want to hurt the cards. That's the thing. I really don't want to hurt the cards. There we go. That's a nice crack of the pack. Heidhain. Mind Crush. Powerful card. Declare one card name if your opponent has. That's a card that's come back these days, I believe. Nobleman. Eaterbug. Mystic Swordsman level 4. Foil. Nice. That's cool. I like it. That's one of my favourite cards from this set as well. Mystic Swordsman level 4. Goblin Calligrapher. Ritual Weapon. Masked Dragon and Malice Doll of Demise. Mystic Swordsman level 4. I think you're going to get sleeved up, my friend. Sleeve you up. Let's check him out. If you normal summon this card, you must place it in face down defense position. If this card attacks a face down defense position monster, destroy the monster immediate with this card's effect without flipping it face up or applying damage calculation. During the end phase of a turn that card destroyed a monster as a result of battle, send this card to the graveyard to special summon one Mystic Swordsman level 6. Definitely use this in the Nintendo DS games. Nightmare Troubadour, possibly. Dark Revelations 1. Nice. Tip card. Tip card. We got a tip card. Using multiple equip spells. Archfiend Soldier. 4-star 1900. Guardian Elmer. Freezing Beast. Amazoness Fighter. Desk Rook Archfiend. Skilled White Magician. Nice. Narrow Pass. Pitch Black Power Stone. Dice Reroll. Combination Attack. Jarover and Ante. Score 7 on that one. So we got the Skilled White Magician, which is a nice rare to have. I believe it's spell counters and then summon one Buster Blader from your hand deck or graveyard. Last pack. Rise of Destiny. With the creator on the background. Yeah. Lighten the Load. Homunculus, the Alchemic Being. Spell Purification. Mighty Guard. Rare Metalmorph. The Creator Incarnate. Woodborg Impachi, Moki King. And Woodborg Impachi. Whoa. Okay. Two of the same cards in the same pack. What's that about? What's that about? That's never happened to me before. Well, not a bad tin there. Pretty cool. Lots of nostalgia to be had for the classic Yu-Gi-Oh! We got the Call of the Haunted as one of our foils, and a Mystic Swordsman level 4. That's probably the best card I've pulled. Let me know otherwise in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe for more classic Yu-Gi-Oh! Tins and nostalgia. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.